Welcome to the world of precision and creativity. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating process of 2D CNC design. Whether you're cutting intricate patterns, engraving detailed text, or crafting unique parts, CNC machines are revolutionizing how we bring designs to life. A normal 2D CNC design refers to a two-dimensional computer-aided design that is used in CNC, computer numerical control, machining to guide the cutting, engraving, or milling process. In 2D CNC design, only X, horizontal, and Y, vertical, axes are considered, meaning the design involves flat shapes without depth. Common applications of 2D CNC design. 1. Cutting. Materials like wood, metal, plastic, or foam are cut into 2D shapes such as panels, signs, and parts. 2. Engraving. Text or simple designs are engraved on flat surfaces. 3. Routing. Creating profiles, outlines, or paths in materials. Steps to create a 2D CNC design. 1. Design creation. Use a computer-aided design software, e.g., AutoCAD, Inkscape, Fusion 360, or Adobe Illustrator, to create the 2D design. Typical designs include shapes like circles, rectangles, or more complex patterns like gears or text. 2. Toolpath generation. Once the design is completed, it's imported into computer-aided manufacturing software to generate the toolpaths. The toolpaths tell the CNC machine where to move and cut along the X and Y axes. 3. Material selection. Common materials for 2D CNC cutting are wood, acrylic, aluminum, and foam. Ensure the material matches the tool and CNC settings. 4. Exporting to CNC machine. The toolpath file, typically in formats like G-code, DXF, or STL, is loaded into the CNC machine's controller to start the machining process. Types of 2D CNC designs. 1. Profiles and outlines. Used to cut shapes from flat sheets, such as brackets, gears, or decorative elements. 2. Text engraving. Simple text engraving on flat surfaces, often used for signage or nameplates. 3. Pattern cutting. Cutting intricate patterns or designs for art, woodworking, or metalworking. 4. PCB designs. For cutting the traces in printed circuit boards. 5. CNC machine setup. Select the correct tool, end mill, engraving bit, etc., based on material and design. Load the material into the CNC machine's bed. Zero the machine, calibrate the starting point for the X, Y, and sometimes Z axis. Run the G-code generated from the CM software to execute the 2D cutting or engraving process. This is a beautiful 2D design in front of us, perfectly crafted with precision and care. From the intricate details to the smooth edges, every aspect of this piece showcases the true potential of CNC technology. The way the machine translates digital designs into tangible creations is nothing short of amazing. Whether you're crafting custom parts or artistic pieces, CNC opens up endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. This design is a perfect example of what can be achieved when technology meets creativity, producing results that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 2D CNC designs are useful for creating flat, intricate parts and shapes. They are simpler than 3D designs because they only involve two axes, X and Y. This makes them ideal for many common tasks like cutting, engraving, and routing flat materials. And there you have it. From concept to creation, we transformed a 2D design into a precision-crafted masterpiece using CNC technology. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of CNC design. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos. Thank you.